Hi, this is Sally Elias Kezi, the Cake MD. Welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a multicolored chocolate puppet. And this is a unicorn puppet mold that I got from Amazon for about $8. And I'm going to show you how to do this with multicolored chocolate. It took me about 4 times to figure this out, so hopefully I can save you some time. So I've taken some compound chocolate and melted it and mixed it with different colors. It might seize up on you if you put too much water-based or even gel-based color, but no worries. If that happens to you, just add a little bit of cocoa butter to the melted compound chocolate and it will smooth it out again. So you're not going to fill out each cavity completely with the chocolate. You're just going to take a brush and paint a thin coat into each cavity. You might want to do this 2 or 3 times to completely fill the cavities with each of the colors. And it will harden up pretty quickly. So like I said, if you need to, either add a little bit of cocoa butter to it and melt it for 15 seconds in the microwave, or if you don't have cocoa butter, you can also use Paramount crystals. Once you've coated a thin coat of chocolate onto each one of the cavities and you're satisfied with the intensity of the color, then start on the next color once the chocolate has firmed up a bit. It usually will firm up pretty quickly at room temperature, but if not, you could stick it in the freezer for a couple of minutes and then move on to the next color. So the last one I'm doing is purple, and I've used food coloring powder to make my purple here. Usually food coloring powders will not seize up your chocolate, so they're a little bit easier to work with. Once you're happy with the intensity of the color, take a good look at the back and make sure, and then pop it in the freezer for a couple of minutes to harden up the chocolate. And now finally the fun part. You're going to take more melted compound chocolate in a white or another neutral color and pour it all over the colored ones. And you're going to make sure to fill all the cavities, and we're going to tap it in a little bit and make sure it all smooths out. So, tap, 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 and then use an angled spatula to smooth that chocolate out all over the top of the colored chocolate. Take your time to make sure you fill any air bubbles. Then you can take a scraper and smooth it all out. Scrape the excess chocolate from the sides of the mold, and you're good to go. Pop it in the freezer again for a couple of minutes. It just took a couple of minutes in the freezer, and it pops out quite easily and beautifully. There you go. Now, if you like, you can add a bit of luster dust to make it super sparkly. This is Pearl Luster Dust. And I'm just going to dust a little bit on the individual bubbles. And there you go. So sparkly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.